Okay, so this is card number 1 in Cute as a Bug, and it's just a simple Z-fold card that you'll be making, and we're going to go ahead and put one together. So in your packet, you will find everything you need except this, and this will need to be die cut out of your paper. And in the instructions, I haven't done the instructions yet, you can see. I will put which paper it's to be cut out of. But I bet you can find it. It's the one with the mushrooms. It's got mushrooms all over it. And so I die cut that. I mean, I didn't die cut it. I fussy cut that out of there. And this one I did a little more detail than I did this one, but that's okay. Either way, do as much detail as you are comfortable with. So in your packet, you have a piece of white, looks like a white stripe. And so we're going to take a Mossy Meadow stamp pad and a blending brush. Now I have my small one because I have a little bit more control with that. And you're just going to blend. Oops, see, I'm glad I did it right in the middle. It's where I came in. And you're just going to blend a little bit of color in that background. And then, I know what I forgot to get was my adhesives. I have no adhesives at all. Okay, so this is our card base. Let me grab my tools. Let's see, I need a bone folder, and I need some adhesive for sure. And maybe some relax and some dimensionals. I'll just grab this little container, and then that way I'll have it all available for me. Okay. So let's get my bone folder here. You can see I started with card number 1, which I usually start with card number 16. Oh, by the way, you have 16 cards in your packet because I didn't realize I did 16. So you have 16 to do instead of 15. So surprise, you got a bonus card. Okay, so this is going to be the inside. This is the largest piece of black and the largest piece of white. And that's going to go on the inside of my card. So, and remember it's a Z-fold card, so you want to fold it that way. Okay, then for the front of the card, this is a pretty simple card. You have this piece, and I'm not going to give you any measurements because all the measurements are on the instructions. And then I have a piece of black here. Basic black, good old basic black. I'm going to try to line this up correctly. Try being the key word. Looks good. And then you have this white that we put the ink on, that we brushed with the blending brush. And I'm just going to leave a tiny little edge around there, just so it highlights it. I'm hoping that I did enough of this. I could have done a little bit more. So I'm just going to go in and touch it up a little bit, come down a little bit. Nice thing about it, we can do that. Okay, and then I'm going to attach this strip of black to the front of my card, to that far left section. Just like that. I can see this is crooked. And it's going to bug me, and I'm going to leave it alone. It's just a teeny bit off. And by the time it's on there, you won't even notice it. So then I'm going to put adhesive on the left side on the back here so that I can attach it to the front of my card here. And I want to center this. And I'm going to leave it so some of the white does show over here in the background. You're not going to cover that up. So you want to leave a nice edge. This is put on with dimensionals. So we'll grab a couple of dimensionals here. I have a number 1 written on the back of there, so I knew which card I was cutting it for. You won't need to do that probably, but what I did is I cut them out of the paper and then I took them and cut them out, the ones that I needed. I need some small dimensionals. Let's see if I have some minis here. Those are big. You think a small sheet would have small ones, right? Okay. So let's grab a couple of those. This one, that one's even too big for that. So I'm going to put that somewhere else. Let's just stick it right, since I have it out right there. Let me grab a pair of paper snips. And I'm going to trim this, and I'm just going to trim it really tiny because I just want some real small little pieces to fill in there, just to hold up those flowers. And let's grab my tweezers. He's now stuck to my finger. That's always good. Not, okay, let's turn this over. See if I can put that in there if it's too big. I'm hoping not. It is a little bit big. So let's cut this one down even smaller. Peel that off. Stick it on there. Same thing on here. And you guys know how to do all this. It's just, I told you I would do videos. Whoa. Okay. And probably most of you won't watch these videos. You'll do it from the instructions because I know you. These videos will be just for if you get stuck. If you have a question, you can pull them up, and hopefully I've answered your questions. So, but I'm going to put more information on the PDF sheet than you'll probably get in these videos, unless it's a tip on how to do something. Okay, let's get that off my fingers. And I'm just going to attach this right in here, hopefully centering it on my little brushings there. Okay. And then I have a happy birthday. The happy birthday is a greeting that is pre-stamped, pre-printed. I'll say that because it's not really stamped. And I'm going to put this right across the bottom. And because it's going to go over top of that, I really don't need anything except for on the very beginning and the very end. So let's just grab a couple of these mini dimensionals and put those on, one on the beginning and one on the end there, because the center is going to go over the other. And I did not put any bling on this one. I just really didn't feel like it needed any bling. But you could, if you want to, add some bling. It's just a simple, pretty card. And that is card number 1. I'll see you at card number 2.